Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to block TV channels on LG Smart TV. Before we get to the process, first of all, I just want to let you know that you're gonna have to enable the safety feature or parental controls feature, as it is sometimes called, on your TV. And to do that, you're gonna have to get to know your default PIN code. And the default PIN code in most cases, including my TV, is 4 zeros, except for Belgium, France, and Norway. So if you selected one of these three countries as your country, then your default password will be 1234. But generally, I don't think it's the same for every TV. So just to get to know for sure, let's first check it out. Check out the user guide, which is of course on our TV. So first of all, on your home screen, select the gear icon on the sidebar. Go to all settings menu by selecting the gear icon once again. And in all settings, let's navigate down to support section. Now in support, let's select user guide. And here we're gonna find out what our default PIN code is. So navigate to settings, then in settings, select system. It's somewhere at the bottom. Now in system, let's go to safety. And here in safety information, you'll be able to find your default password in reset password information, or in reset password paragraph. So here you can see that the default password is 4 zeros, but when France, Norway, or Belgium is selected for country, the password is 1234. So check the info for your TV and then go back to all settings menu. So let's once again select the gear icon on the home screen, then the gear guide icon at the top bar of the quick settings menu, and then navigate to general option or to general menu. And in general menu, let's navigate to system, then to safety. And now let's enable safety feature by switching this toggle to the right and entering our default password, which is 4 zeros in my case. After that, first of all, you'll be able to lock your channels, your programs, basically by rating. So you can basically block shows for the or by restricting the age for and the programs that have this age, that are appropriate for this age only. So for example, if you want to lock all the programs for people of age 9 and above, then select this option, and then you're gonna have to enter the PIN code to see these programs. Otherwise, select none. And now if you want to lock channels, you're gonna have to select program locks, and you'll be transferred to different sources like DTV, radio, TV, for antenna, for cable, and for satellite. Here select your source, and unfortunately I don't have the source connected to my TV, but you can see that we can use the functional colorful buttons on the remote control to either lock or unlock the channel or the program. So yeah, just first select your source from the list, and then for this source select the program or the channel that you want to lock, and then press the red button in the bottom. In my case, it's located in the bottom left corner of the TV remote, and this way you will lock the program on your TV. And of course, you're most probably going to change your default password to some other one. After you do that, So in order to do that, let's go back to settings and let's basically go back to the safety settings. So in general, once again, select system and then navigate down to safety option. And then in safety option, select reset password. Now in reset password, first enter your default password, so 4 zeros, okay, and then enter your own password. I'm gonna enter 1234 and press OK. But you can enter anything you like. And then do this once again to confirm your new PIN code. And so now your child is safe from watching inappropriate programs or channels on your TV. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.